I have a very dirty pan here. Admittedly, I fell asleep after I ate dinner yesterday and never cleaned the pan. So it sat like this all night, and now this is a mess. Easy way to clean this up. We're gonna fill it with water. Not a lot of water, just maybe that much. And then we're going to go over to the stove here and we're going to heat it up. Okay, now that it's heated up, I'm just going to take the wooden spoon here and just kind of go across the whole surface of the pan. Okay, now we'll shut it off. And we're going to go over to the sink. Now I'm not scraping aggressively because this is a Teflon pan, so just lightly. And that's it. It's perfectly clean. Very easy. No time-consuming process of soaking, no scrubbing, no soaps. Just warm water and a wooden spoon.